In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an Airbnb using Gcash. By the end, you'll have Gcash set up as a payment method on your Airbnb account so you can use it smoothly at checkout. Start by opening your browser and heading to www.airbnb.com. Sign in with your existing account. If you're not signed in, the payment settings won't be visible, so make sure you're fully logged in before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where all your personal settings live. From here, find the section labeled Payments and Payouts. This is where Airbnb keeps both how you pay and how you get paid if you're hosting, but today we're focusing on how you pay. Inside Payments and Payouts, select Payment Methods. This page shows any cards or wallets you've already added. To connect Gcash, click Add Payment Method. You'll see a list of available options based on your region. Choose Gcash. Airbnb will now prompt you to enter your details. Type in the mobile number linked to your Gcash wallet. Make sure this number is accurate and active since it's the key to connecting your wallet and may be used for confirmations. Next, fill in your billing address. Enter it exactly as it appears on your Gcash account or any official billing records. Matching details help prevent verification hiccups and failed payments later. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give it a moment while Airbnb processes the information. If all is well, you'll see a confirmation that your new payment method has been added, and Gcash will appear in your list of payment methods. That's it. Gcash is now connected to your Airbnb account. The next time you're ready to reserve a place, proceed to checkout as usual and select Gcash from your payment options. If Gcash isn't appearing for a particular listing, it can be due to regional availability, currency settings, or host preferences, so don't worry if you occasionally see different options. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your Gcash wallet funded ahead of time to avoid interruptions during checkout. Make sure your mobile number remains active and can receive messages just in case any confirmations are needed. And if you run into issues adding Gcash, double check your address formatting and try again from a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. You've successfully added Gcash to Airbnb, making future bookings faster and more convenient. Thanks